Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen of vegan iniquity. It's 4th of July and this is my 4th of July dinner. I have some very traditional veganized macaroni salad, some baked beans. These are Amy's baked beans. I didn't feel like cooking up a big batch of beans on top of everything else. You always have to have corn on the cob for any summer cookout. This is white corn. I wish they would sell yellow corn. I guess everybody thinks white corn is so sweet that they don't bother to sell the yellow corn, but the yellow corn's got the color in it, which is better for you than the sugar. And this is my 4th of July weenie, my curly Q weenie. It's on a bun that is spread with Veganized and dill pickle relish and some yellow mustard. And I put it all on the bottom so that you could see the full effect of the corkscrew weenie. I used a field roast Frankfurter. I forget if that's what they're actually called. I just don't look at labels anymore, but it's the standard field roast. The hardest part about this is running the skewer all the way from one end to the other. Keeping it centered without having it run out the side or something by the time you get to the end. Once you get it skewered, you start to cut with your little paring knife at an angle at one end, and you just rotate the weenie, holding the knife still at the same angle until you get this nice corkscrew effect. And let me see. We also always have to have some kind of watermelon. And this is my watermelon agua fresca, which is a very refreshing drink made of watermelon juice, lime juice, and a little bit of sweetener as needed. But hang on, because there's also going to be a dessert. This is a blueberry lattice crust pie, and it's a little bit mangled because the first time I tried to record this video, my camera phone acted up, so I had to put this slice back in. But I am going to explain to you what this gadget is in just a sec. This helps you lift out the first slice of pie. And you basically put this under the pie crust in your pie dish, and then you build your pie, and then when you're ready to serve, you can cut around the edge of this little gadget, and it will help you lift out your pie. So, as always, the recipes for some of these things will be on my blog, and I will link it in the description. I will also link to the previous video, although now that I'm using those end screen videos and subscription icons at the end of the video, you don't have to look down in the description, but if you want the recipe, you've got to look down in the description. Thank you as always for liking, watching, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. Amy's does do a good job on their baked beans. They're very good. I love that macaroni salad. It's so yummy. I love corn on the cob too. Sometimes I put butter and salt, but there's nothing on this, and I like it just as well. I have to say, those field roast weenies, they do have a very good flavor. It's a little bit of extra trouble, but I find they're too dry if I don't boil them before I grill them or fry them or broil them. Helps add moisture back in, and it doesn't really dilute the flavor. And the pie falls kind of flat if you don't chill it first, but that's okay. You can stick it in the freezer and then it won't run out so much, but it tastes better when it's room temperature. I love blueberry pie, it's so good. Very traditional dessert. And let me try some of this watermelon. It's so refreshing. Anyway, I hope everyone who celebrates has a happy 4th of July. And I will see you later, guys.